Guys, I'm teacher Romeo Masaya. These are the worksheets for working April 13 until April 17, okay? As the first one, we got this one. You need to answer the question, where are my jeans? You need to look at the picture here. Where are the jeans? Can you see it? You need to answer that. This page is always for Monday 13. Look at the picture and mark true or false and explain when it's false, okay? On this page, you're going to reorder the sentence adding there is or there are. There is, there isn't, or there aren't according to the picture. The same picture in the first page of the presentation, okay? For Wednesday 15, we got this one. There is and there are. Complete the sentences with the correct form. You're gonna choose if you're going to write there is or there are. There is or there are many animals in the zoo. And for Friday, we got will or be going to. We got this page. You're gonna work with this. Will or be going to. Those, you need to choose what are those are going in the sentence, okay? Will or be going to. And for last, we got this one using uses of he's going to. What are they going to do? You need to write it. What is going to do that person? For example, score some goals. Henry, and you're going to write in the correct way is going to. Like in the example, Henry is going to play football. In this one, Henry is going to score some goals. Okay, if you have doubts, you can write me at the platform, okay?